Hey, welcome back to Garfin's creation. Today, let's make this simple and easy sausage and egg fried rice. The detailed recipe is mentioned below, so let's start with the recipe. So here are the ingredients that I have listed that would be required for this recipe. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce. 3/4 cup of chicken sausages that have been cut into smaller pieces. And here I have taken rice. I have taken 1 cup raw rice and boiled it up to 90%. 3 whole eggs, pepper powder, salt as per taste, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and 1 inch ginger, that too is finely chopped. And for the veggies, I have chopped 1 large green onion, chopped 1 carrot, also chopped red, green and yellow bell peppers, and the green onion leaves. We need to make an omelette of the eggs, so in that I'll just add in a little bit of pepper and salt and just whisk it. Since we're making sausage and egg fried rice, I've taken 3 eggs here. Now firstly, we'll just make the omelette. Just added a teaspoon of oil, and when the oil is hot enough, we'll just add in the beaten egg. Do not add all of it, we'll just retain a little to be used later. Now we'll just fry the egg like as we would do a normal egg omelette. Just keep it a little thick so that it is easier to flip and cut out strips later. Once the egg is cooked from one side, just flip it over and let it cook on the other side as well. Then just try to roll it up so it will be easier to cut out long strips from it. We'll keep that aside. Now in the same frying pan, I'll just be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Use vegetable oil here. First we'll fry in the garlic and the ginger. We'll just fry in the ginger and the garlic a little. We do not have to make this very brown. And just frying this on high flame for just a few seconds, we'll be adding the spring onion. I've taken 1 large spring onion here. You can use 2 medium-sized ones, also will do. After adding the onion, also add in the cut chicken sausages. We need to fry this well. We'll just keep turning around and just cook this for about a minute or 2. In place of chicken sausages, you can also use chicken ham or pork ham. It tastes much better with the ham. Next, into the same pan, we'll also be adding the chopped carrots. Fry the carrots too for a few seconds. And then next into this, we'll be adding the capsicum. I've taken red, yellow and green bell peppers which are finely chopped. These two need not be fried for a very long time. Just a few seconds is enough. I've been frying all these veggies and the chicken sausage on high flame. Once this is done, we'll be adding the little egg that we had retained. This is going to pass on the egg flavor to the veggies too. Just add it and just scramble it a little so that it mixes well with the veggies. Now once that is done, next what we have to do is add in the cooked rice. I have taken long grain basmati rice. You can use the short grain rice too for this recipe. The rice was cooked about 90%. So now we will just toss in it and mix it along with the veggies and sausages. After mixing this, we'll be adding the soya sauce, chili sauce. You can add more chili sauce if you want a little more spicier. Also add in the pepper powder and a dash of salt. Adjust the salt as per your taste. As I've added the salt while cooking the rice too, so I've not added too much, and the soya sauce too has salt in it. Now give this all a nice mix and let it fry on high flame for a minute or 2. And once this is done, just garnish it with the spring onion leaves and the strips of the egg omelette. Now mix this all once again and our sausage and egg fried rice is ready to be served. Serve the chicken sausage and egg fried rice while it's still hot. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below too. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Garfin's Creation. I'll see you soon in the next recipe too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.